Hey everyone, this is Konstantin from GraphGrail AI team, and in this video I'm gonna tell you about how did we came up with the idea for our MVP and what kind of problems does it solve. Let's go. As you all know, machine learning algorithms enable computers to act without being explicitly programmed, but human intelligence is necessary to structure the algorithm's training data. Humanity already generated a lot of data, but to be used, it first needs to be labeled, because without high-quality labeled training data, machine learning falls apart. Right now, the industry faces a number of problems, such as no suitable labeling tools. Most of data scientists use Excel-like programs to do the labeling, which isn't the fastest way to do it, because it includes a lot of copy-pasting or using drop lists. No labeling tree tools available. Same thing with the labeling trees. Data scientists have to create them as a table or mind map and then distribute to the labelers as a separate document. No way to split the work. Only one person can work with the dataset at a time. To label a large amount of data, you need to split it to smaller documents or use a shared ones, like Google Docs. But after the work is done, there is no way to figure out who did which amount of work. Trust issue. All the business relationships between task owner and the person who performs the data labeling is based on trust only, without a way to check labeling quality before paying for it. At the same time, there is no way to ensure that the task owner will really transfer the payment after the work is done. Time costs too much money. Usually, data scientists have to perform the time-consuming labeling procedures by themselves, but often they're overqualified and their time costs too much money to be spent like that. Easiest way is to pass the task to freelancers, simultaneously explaining to them what data labeling is about. Almost each of the listed points can slow the process, but all of them combined make data labeling as effective as it can possibly be. Now this is where my speech gets interesting. Facing all the problems I mentioned earlier, we, GraphGrail Artificial Intelligence team, decided to create a data labeling instrument for ourselves and called it GraphGrail Labeling Bot. We chose Telegram as an interface because it's open, pretty much user-friendly, and meets the technical requirements of the project. GraphGrail Labeling Tree Tool. One of the first implemented sections of GraphGrail Bot was an ability to create, structure, and share so-called data labeling trees. From now on, there is no need to use third-party applications or send the labeling structure as a separate document. You can create and share them by using the respective section of our website. Tasks may be split. While a person works on a labeling task using GraphGrail Bot, he or she gets the data by small portions. At the same time, another person can start labeling another block of data in the same dataset without intersection. In this particular example, we used a 20 text entries block, but it may vary. GraphGrail Blockchain with smart contracts. Using GraphGrail Labeling Bot can prevent any confrontation during the labeling process, because all the operations are transparent, stored in a distributed database, and protected by smart contracts. Right person for the right job. Labeling may rely on the judgments of highly skilled experts, such as oncologists working on indication of cancerous tissue, but at the same time, select all images with the street sign tasks do not require a high-level professional involvement. Usage of GraphGrail Labeling Bot allows you to hire a right person for the right tasks, based on their reputation, amount of work done, and cost per hour. Considering all that, we decided to share the tool as first part of the GraphGrail ecosystem, which we are building right now. I hope that you found this tutorial useful, and if yes, go to our website, read about us, become part of the project, and don't forget, work for machines, life for people, enjoy now. See ya!